Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? Another video on the repo markets, okay? Or repo market, I guess you could say. I saw this video this morning, and even though there's tons of videos out there on YouTube that talks about, the repo market, there's a gentleman by the name of WhiteBoard Finance. WhiteBoard Finance. I'm going to put this video below. And he gives a really balanced view of the repo market. And let me explain what I mean by that. 70 to 80% of the videos that I watch on the repo market operations are kind of based in a lot of fear to get you going to believe that the sky's falling, which it probably is to a certain extent. But WhiteBoard Finance, in my opinion, takes the emotion out of the discussion and just gives you the facts. And I never like to do a video that preys on someone's emotion or wants to get an emotional. I don't want to get an emotional response from you for my videos. I want to get a cerebral response where you're going to think it out for yourself. And yes, we all have feelings. And yes, we have a heart. And we have passions and interests and desires. But I don't want to manipulate anybody in any way is what I'm trying to say. So this young man, WhiteBoard Finance, I salute you. And yeah, he's got 257,000 subscribers. He knows a lot more than this little guy, let me tell you. So take a look at this article. It's only 13 minutes, but it's Marco, M-A-R-K-O hyphen WhiteBoard Finance. And again, don't know that much about him other than the video that I saw, but take a look at it, and it was super important and informational for me. Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99. Love y'all. See you later.